Hey guys, so today we're gonna go over to my brother's house, help him record a few videos. So let's do this. So the reason I'm recording this video on the way to my brother's house is we need to learn to use our skills in more than just creating videos. Especially in the beginning as a new YouTuber, you need to obviously make a living and make an income, and there's more than just making the videos for yourself that you can make money from. So one of the things that obviously I'm trying to promote and get out there is the fact that I can edit and I can record and I can make films for other individuals and other businesses. By helping other creators and other YouTubers make their videos, I'm hoping to get my name out there, and yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm trying to grow that side of the business as well. It's actually quite busy. I mean, we are in South Africa, we are in lockdown level 3, and this means you're able to go to the shops, and most of the industries are really allowed to work, with the exception of a few like aviation, my own industry. But the amount of people that are out on the road is crazy. People have to get whoa, nice catch. Sheesh, that's a bit dangerous. I'm excited to go make this video. Today's video is going to be about family tricks. Yeah, so I'm going to go over to Neil's house, my brother. I've been editing his videos for, I don't know, say probably about the last 15 to 20 videos of his channel. I've obviously been editing my own videos. I've been doing one or two other people's videos. I've been editing videos for the company that I work for training purposes. So I'm slowly building up my skills and making that a viable way to market myself and get myself out there in terms of what I am able to do and how I can assist people. I must say I enjoy editing. I love trying new things. So whenever I get an opportunity to be a bit more expressive and a bit more creative with the edits that I'm doing, I always try and learn a new skill. So one of the skills I did on my channel, and my brother liked it so much that I ended up doing it on one of his channels. For me, it was the nightcrawler effect. So I made myself disappear from one spot. I was in my bedroom, I was watching Netflix, and the next minute I popped up in my car and I appeared again there as a way to motivate myself to make a new video for my channel. And I made a small little story around that. Sorry about the lighting not being that great. My camera being a Nikon 5200, you can see it takes quite a lot of time to adapt to the light and get back on where it's supposed to be. He liked my videos so much that he decided to use it for a different effect, well, same effect on video, but a different reason. He's all about dads and family, and one of the things he does every now and again is he pulls a ninja bomb. So if you want to find out what the ninja bomb is, click on the card up here. You'll jump over to his channel and he'll be able to tell you exactly what a ninja bomb is, and you'll see how I applied the same effect that I used with my nightcrawler video over onto his channel with the ninja bomb. And I even did a video about it also. Click on this link here and you'll see the video that I show you and I teach you how to actually create that effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro. My channel is about a few different elements, and one of the elements is teaching people how to do certain edits, create videos and media for your channel and your YouTube channels and Facebook and all the social platforms. And there goes the color again. Sorry, it's quite a bit of traffic out here, so let me just focus on what I'm doing. The other one is I'm going to be incorporating a few other elements into my channel. One being, I'm thinking of calling it Real Talk. I'll ask you guys what you guys think of the name, and maybe you guys can help me come up with another name. Real Talk's just basically about advice, staying motivated, keeping things real, staying grounded, and I want to make sure that that's a core part of my YouTube channel, to make sure that not only myself stay grounded, but that we all as human beings stay grounded and remember where we came from and the journey it took to get here. Lastly, I would like to do some behind the scenes of like where I'm going now. I'm going to Neil's house. I'm going to go shoot a few videos for him and create a few videos for him, and I would like to do some behind the scenes with regards to that and teach people how I'm doing it. I'm learning through watching other YouTube creators like Peter McKinnon, Cody Warner, people like that, who also teach you how they shoot videos. So I'm hoping that some of the things that I've learned along the way that I can pass that on and maybe help one or two of you who are thinking of starting out. So my brother lives in a boomed up area, so I just had to wait for the boom to open. So one of the things that I think we all in the beginning are scared of is, hey, I don't know how to edit, I don't know how to film, I don't know how I'm going to do this, how I'm going to get through this journey, I don't have the proper equipment. Just start with what you have. If you have a cell phone, if you have a camera, even if you have an old camera like me, you can see how the light's struggling. But I make it work. A lot of my videos are inside a car, and the reason for that is I've got 3 kids, I've got a small house, and the only place I have at the moment with some quiet space is in my car. It's all about using what you have, being creative with it, and trying to create something that's going to be wow and entertaining and interesting for the viewers at the end of the day. Whoa, one more turn. So I'm about to arrive at my brother's house. If you guys have enjoyed this video and want to see more of it, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching it. I truly appreciate you. Remember to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys, all of you guys, in the next video. Cheers, guys. We've arrived. Man, the light struggles. Focus, focus. There we go, in focus. Sorry.